Hello, may igsoon. Happy New Year din sa Pilipinas. Dili wala pa. Okay. This is what I'm wearing right now. It's 2025 for the New Year 25. Okay, na ako rin sa gawa sa sa igagaw na ako diri sa Bakersfield, California. And muna akong background diri sa ilang silingan. And I'm trying to vlog these things. Okay, muna yung background nila. Muna ilang mga decoration. Alright? Look at this. Okay, muna yung silingan karon. Ang naglight-light mga silingan, oh. Muna yung suga po nila. Alright. Okay. Muna ilang front, ang ilang garahe. Nasakyan na din na sa likod. Okay, see that? This is the decoration outside this house. Okay. Now we're going to get into this house. Alright. Okay. You know what? Bisang bugnaw kayo, napagihintubog yung roso. Kita nyo na. Tugnaw na kayo this na. Arang tugnaw na yun, you know? Okay. May 22 is the lightning. Okay? Alright. Okay. Mga na yung karoon mo nilang balay, masulod ta. Makita sa pangigalo. Alright? Okay. Hello! Happy New Year and Merry Christmas! See you next! Okay, mga igsoon, mani ang pagkatao sa atong picture sa or really, this is an actual, you know, actual ni siya nga mga gigbutan din. Pagkatao sa atong Ginoo sa Kristo, mani sulod sa balay. Okay? Alright, right here. Okay, look at this. Okay. Kita kanina ano nila. It's very nice. Actually. Okay, muna tagiya sa balay sa picture. Ni Kuya Neil. Bata pa siya. And when he was military at that time. Kaya muna nilang balay. Look at this. Look at this sofa. This sofa is very nice decoration, you know? Okay. Una niya asawa na si Ate Delphia sa nurse. Ayan. Wow, look at this. Very nice, you know? Kung nila ang itawag na na visiting room. Visiting room matawag na. Look at that. That's a very high ceiling house, you know? Okay, right guys, see you next. Manilang decoration behind the door. Nagpasok nimo, sulod nimo. Okay. Nasa interior plant, natawag doy. Si tawag ani? Yeah. Hey, look at it. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Oh. Ang dami palang mga images dari. Naghulat na Santa Claus masulod. And look at the decoration, you know? Okay. Ang kani mga babos din pagdating sa New Year, amo ni siyang pabuton. Pabuton na to ni. Okay. Ito yung mga decoration niya sagdana, no? Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Christmas tree. Saka this dice. And this house is ready for the New Year. See, look at that. Okay. See? Oh, now 2025. This is a huge sign. That's the second floor. In the second floor na siya. Look at that. Okay. It's nice, huh? Nami karon din wait for the new year. Okay, see you next. Okay guys, yeah, mana ni ilang mga kundi sa next side of the house. After this balloon is 2025. Look at that. These balloons will pop up on the 12 o'clock for the 2020 will coming 2025. See? Living room, receiving room, I mean. Oh, that's the right word, receiving room. Alright. There are a lot of gifts here. Siguro na ako usad diri. I hope. And wish nga na ako isa diri. It's a lot of gifts. Look at this. Because it's very nice. And the most amazing pair. Hi! Okay, I'm here now. Look at this. I have this 2025 lightning in my head. Alright, guys? Okay, so on. Okay, mahinaot ko nga. Malipayan po magay sa inyong bagong tuig na pagsaulog. Okay? Okay, go to the dining room. No, not really dining. This is a place where if a lot of visitors bisita naman, hindi rin napakawalan, but this is not really the dining. Right, see you next. Okay, so we're moving to the real dining and kitchen room. Okay, look at the decoration. Okay, we're here. Okay, this is Salas. Look at this. Yeah. Look at the decoration. It's very nice. This is very perfect with the decoration for the Christmas and New Year, you know. Yeah. And hello! This is the owner of the house. Hi, Tilias! And this is Lisa and Tilias, the owner of the house. Alright, guys. See this decoration. This is very nice. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, no. And this balloons will pop up for this 20 when we reach it. Oh yeah, it will pop up. Okay, what is this here? Oh, we have the salad. We have the cake. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of foods in here. All right. Okay. Oh, there's Santa Claus dancing over here. Hi, Santa Claus. All right. Oh, there's a food here. Let me have food.
The turkey.
Oh, there's a turkey. Oh
Yeah.
my goodness, that's huge. The cost turkey, uy. Okay, may soma nilang dining. Look at the table. Oh, lantawa pala. Look at this one. There's a cover in the chair. Christmas. Oh my goodness, this is nice. See, Merry Christmas. And this is money cover sa ilang lamit, lingkuranan para sa mga Bisaya. Okay. Ingkuranan. Okay, look at that.
Is the tank
Look at. Yeah, the
other one?
yeah, same thing. And I changed it.
Good.
Okay, yeah. And that's Kuya Neil, the owner of this house, the husband of Ate Delps. He's a very good guy. Smart, patient. Yeah, and pretty good guys. Yeah. I love these guys. You know. Ate Delp, how's your house? Happy New Year, Merry Christmas.
Yes, Happy New Year.
Okay, what you're doing, Kuya Neil?
We're washing clothes.
What you're doing?
We're doing the aftercare
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, this couple is very nice. I love these guys.
Throw these things up.
Yes.
Alright.
Pakita mo yung this is the bring house.
Oh yeah, you're preparing your BH. Oh my goodness.
This is the bring house.
Holy cow! Nag-ano nag-bring house?
Yeah.
Mura mag-isisyaron kanita nga ibalot mo. Ano yun? Ibalot?
Right.
Ibalot
Bring
mo.
house.
Oh my goodness. See you next. What is that? What is that again?
Panettone.
What is panettone?
Coffee.
Oh, coffee. Okay.
Baon ka.
This is dining table. Look at this dining table. Tanawin yung dining table. No, gwapo. Okay. We're busy preparing what? Preparing beets. Yeah. Okay. The owner of the house is washing dishes. Look at that.
Lagay ko to sa ref.
Nag-wash dish siya. Look at that. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay. Ate Delps naman. Ate Delps, prepare na prepare mo Ate Delps, ha? Oh, the turkey, Look at man.
One more turkey dyan, oh.
Oh my goodness. Ano ubusin yan? Amuning tagiya sa balay diri. Ang inimbuho mo gimhimo mahaw. Damo pagkaon na. Ni si Ate Delps.
Ano to? Tapos na. Wala
This
pa
guys.
mag-New Year pa. Wala pa after
Yeah, wala pa.
minutes pa.
Nagulat pa kami sa pila ka oras pa. Yeah, look at this. The owner of the house is washing dishes. Look at that. Can you believe that?
That's right.
Oh my God. Yeah, these guys are very unbelievable. Good. And really, God bless these guys. Okay, so, ano yung mga dekorasyon na sa balay? Daghan yun. Kita na yun. Ako dari sa ilang living room. I think so. This is the living room. And that's the TV and the sofa. We have to rearrange that sofa over here. And this is an open concept house. There's the two guests. Manitag-ias balay. Ito ng hugas ng lalaki. Dati military. Very good guys. Buotan kaayo. Asawa po dating nurse, retired na po. Yeah. Buotan kayo. Buotan kaya. Manilang balay na may diri karon. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We are the God-fearing person. Mga dekorasyon lang. Masugat na sa balay o ng kaya. Okay? Ayan. That's Luisa. Helping them. Yeah. Bago lang may nag-party, nanguli ng mga silingan, nanguli ng mga barkada. Narami karoon ng hibilin din eh. Yeah. Okay. Alright guys, bye! 1, 2, 3 ba? Hi! Soon! Look. Tissue akong gigamit. Wow, gapuha di ano eh. This season, tissue season. Okay. So guys, kaon ko kaning dynamite nga ilang giingon. Kuno siya kaning jalapeno nagbutang og na ilaman sa nga beef meat sa sulod nga gi-deep fry. Yeah, inuman ako aning kuan. Guys, bro, Malbec red wine. Okay, let's try this one again. Jalapeno halang. Okay, here. Right. Nagulat mi sa alas 12 eh. Kapit na, 11:25 na. So celebrate New Year actually, pero nangaon na mi. Okay. Para sa tagama ko, especially ng Bisaya all over the world. FW, Kalamba all over the world. Happy New Year. May hinaot ko nga maabot nga tuig nga 2025, mabungahon. Wala nang tayong problem sa itong nasod. Okay? Happy New Year. We love you guys. Okay? Bye! Alright, Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Oh, yeah.
Kutsilyo. Sige pa, isa pa. Happy New Year. Okay, I'm using this one. You know, guys. We have this one here. It's New Year. Woo-hoo-hoo. Over there. See, at it up. Go ahead. Do it. Okay. Happy New Year. Woo-hoo. Happy New Year. It's New Year now here in California. You know? These guys are doing their job. And the balloon, they're popping up the balloon. All right.
Happy New Year!
Saan pa, Tilop? Saan pa? Saan pa?
Wow! Post?
Okay, this is our celebration.
Happy New Year!
There you go. All right. Hey, it's New Year 25. Nice. Hope that this year is more blessing. Daghan na tatang grasya nga madawat.
Tabunin mo ka pala. Ito wala na.
Okay.
Tabunin na pala ka.
Happy New Year 2025. Welcome. So, hi. Happy New Year. So, more blessing to us.
The fireworks?
Really? Okay, let's go outside. May fireworks daw? Okay. Tingnan natin sa labas. Tingnan natin sa labas kung may fireworks. Okay, it's dark. Ilaw. Switch on the lights. Everything. There you go. There you go. Okay. Look at this. Yeah. Look at the lights of our neighborhood. Ooh. Oh, we can see it. Oh, really? We're outside and it's so cold. Oh, boy. It's cold. Unless this house here. This is the house here. Oh, we cannot see it. Oh, we're here outside. It's cold. Holy cow, it's really cold. My goodness.
Nami amo ni ano yan, no? Kita gid no? Sa dilim no.
Oh, di meron
Wait,
light.
amon light.
Oh, no light.
Ayan, amon yung
Oh,
light,
kitang-kita ang light nyo. Ba, woohoo, 2025! Yahoo! Kitang-kita gid. Alright. Alright. Yung bitlog ko. Kumukusta. Sobrang lamig. Oh boy. Ang bitlog ko. Buti to get inside.
Bitlog mo, ako ano na.
Bitlog ko. Boy na. We better go to inside. Oh my goodness. Oh guys, musulod na ni kay tugnaw kaayo.
Hindi ka marinig ka dyan sa vlog mo, bitlog mo. Ano yan, dapat nag-live kaya?
Ay, ginoo.
Yan, dapat nag-live ka.
Tugnaw kayo. Alright. Okay, see you next.